Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. I have carved out underneath the brow, I've put my wings on, and I've also done my lower lash line. Oh, you guys, I absolutely love this look. The thing is, with this, you can choose to either do like a cut crease down the center so that the shimmer really pops, or you can just add the shimmer just as I did. Either way it works, but obviously if you want that extra pop, you can just add that little cut crease so that it's kind of like not 3D, but just so that it's kind of like in your face kind of thing. But I wasn't prepared to do that today. I've also cleaned up my foundation. I have put on so much powder today that I look so pale, and the thing is, it's so warm outside that it's pretty much impossible for me to be this pale. Crazy. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.